appeared that the Grand Architect used Signica power to abuse the system at Laharon, and they purposely overclocked her to fulfill their mission and also use her to communicate to many of the higher-ups of the Royals, and about to use her to destroy the Heliotic 6. Yep, the Lone Survivor 1. Now, why is the Grand Architect is desperate to control Soulsworns, especially Sigrica? Sadly, Sigrica will gonna sacrifice herself to save Inget and probably save Robert and Lahairoi, and we will gonna get another tragic ending at Wuthering Waves. Kisa, please.